Want to know the secret to Ultra Beauty? Introducing No Ultra, the incredible 3-in-1 professional beauty tool. It's the only No hair removal system that's compatible with beauty tips for advanced cleansing and serum infusion. No Ultra still offers amazing professional hair removal treatments. Expensive professional laser treatments are painful and take time to see results. No Ultra removes and treats hair at the same time, pain-free.
No zaps the hair, and the result is that the hair grows back more slowly, less of it grows back, and it's painless.
No irritation, no pain whatsoever with No. Just takes a few seconds and the hair is gone for weeks.
After just a few short weeks, the hair just stopped coming back.
Best of all, unlike laser or light-based devices, No Ultra treats all hair colors and all skin types. The secret is No Ultra's patented Thermocon technology. Painless, state-of-the-art thermodynamic pulses treat and remove hair for reduction in hair regrowth. Only No Ultra offers 3 treatment levels with dynamic speed control for faster, easier, professional removal treatments. Only No Ultra works with interchangeable beauty tips. Use the Ultra Clean tip for advanced facial cleansing. The rotating action cleanses away impurities for better, deeper results. And ask about the micro massage tip. The continuous micro action applies your favorite serums with the vibration for the Ultra Beauty experience.